How to fix skinny fat fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose that stubborn fat and build real muscles. If you don't know what skinny fat is, it essentially means that you appear thin, but you have a high body fat percentage. First, you're going to go on a calorie surplus. What that stands for is going above 200 or 300 plus on your maintenance calories. This helps your body get enough calories to burn and keep the muscles improving and building faster and quicker. This does not mean you go on a dirty diet. You have to stay consistent and go on a clean nutritional diet where you absorb as much micronutrients as possible, like protein, fibers, and carbs, like eggs, rice, oatmeal, banana. These are key nutrients that your body needs to grow properly. Second is having a structured plan or having a workout split. You go to the gym, you have to have a precise plan on what you're doing in order to focus on muscle building components. So for example, on Monday, I target my chest, my shoulders, my triceps. On Tuesday, I target my bicep. This is called pull day. I target my bicep and my back. And on Wednesday, I target my legs, which is glutes, quads, and hamstring. I have a workout plan, a scheduled workout plan to help me build muscles faster. And also you need to progressive overload. Progressive overload means more reps or more weights each week. You don't stay on the same weights or you don't stay on the same reps. You have to improve to see results. Lastly, your living habits. Are you stress-free? Are you sleeping 7 to 9 hours minimum? Are you taking in 3 liters of water each day? For example, what I do on my rest days, I read books and just taking a deep breath and hear myself breathing. This helps me relax my body. Calm mind equals calm body. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe for daily content.